Hello, my name is Het Patel, and my major is Computer Information Systems and Marketing. Today, I want to give you guys an overview of this graph, and then right after, critique the graph and discuss if this meets the format requirements listed in our textbook. So let's get started. The title of this graph is what are the main problems for your enterprise caused by poor data quality. And the reason I chose this graph because at my internship, I'm working on a project that involves poor data quality, and this is something that would be nice for my team to know. So the source for this research is 451 Research. It is a global company that sells custom research to other businesses and provides proprietary data and market insights. Two important pieces of this data is that 44.5% of all companies in the US and Canada would have extra time to reconcile data if they have poor data. And the other important piece of data is that 16.5% of companies in the US and Canada would have compliance problems regarding poor data quality. Now we'll move on to our next part of this presentation. This graph is a horizontal bar graph because it compares multiple items according to a single characteristic. In this case, our single characteristic is poor data quality. The formatting requirement this graph meets that it has a chart title. It also has value labels, which makes the graph look simple and nice to look at. It also avoids legends. Some of the requirements it does not meet is that it does not use color. They could have used different uh, colors to represent different problems that are more important. Um, it does not have y-axis title. It has an x-axis title, but they could have included a y-axis title named problems. And lastly, let's look at the source or the citation of this graph. According to the APA, the format is author, comma, year, but this graph does not include a citation. So it includes a detail pane which has some sort of a citation, but this wouldn't be counted as an actual APA citation. So we would need to include a citation for this graph. So to conclude, today I gave an overview of this graph, and then right after I critiqued the format and its data source. So I just hope you learned a lot from this short presentation and why it's very important to have a good habit of keeping data in a very standard format. Thank you and have a great day.